That's their rooster. This very naughty one. This is the back of their house. And you know what? They also have a pig. I'll show you where the pig is. The pig. Hey, say hi to Scott. Piggy. Yeah, that's their pig. Yep. Hello. Hello, Mr. Scott. I'm Mr. Piggy. Let's go back upstairs. I'm going to eat. I don't eat my lunch yet. So let's go this way. Yeah. I'm going to lay. Let's see. We have a smoke. Hey yo. Bye-bye yo, bye-bye. Bye-bye. It has cut.